Good afternoon, Stallions and Mustangs. This is Mr. B here. I'm going to take you through a few stretches and a few exercises to keep you guys active. Okay, our first stretch, we're going to stretch our hamstrings so you can have your feet together, and we're going to do this on a 10 count. Okay, now this is a static stretch, which means you do not bend your legs, you do not balance. If you balance, that is called ballistic stretching. But we are going to do static stretching. So here we go, we're going to hold this on the 10 count, working the back part of your legs, which is called your hamstrings.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to put our right foot over our left, and we're going to do the same thing, static stretching. We are not balancing. On a 10 count. Ready, down. And release. Now we're going to switch it. Left foot over your right and down. Okay, release. Now we're going to stretch our groins, okay? So we're going to go to the right first. It's important to keep your feet flat during this stretch, and one leg straight, one leg bent, and again on a 10 count. Release, and take it over to the left, same thing. Okay, now we're going to stretch our shoulders out. We're going to go right arm first. And what you want to do is you want to bring your left arm, come over to your elbow, and pull over as far as you can, stretching your right shoulder out on a 10 count. Then you can wave. Release and switch it. Again, you're going to come under your arm and pull over as far as you can. Then you're going to wave. And release. Shake it out. Okay, now your arms are going to go out. You're going to go small circles forward. Again, we're stretching the shoulders out. Then we're going to go medium circles and large. Shake it out. Arms out. We're going to reverse it. Go small circles backwards. Medium and large. Okay, now we're going to stretch our neck out. Now it's important not to go around when you stretch your neck, because those two joints are not meant for that. So we're going to go side to side. Front and back. Okay, we're done with our stretching. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go 3 sets of 10 push-ups. It's important to get your arms at 90 degrees, okay? And you pretty much have to touch your chest to the floor. And I'll demonstrate that. We're going to do 3 sets of 10. Now, if you have trouble with that, you can go off of your knees. Okay, it makes it a little easier, but if you can help from not going on your knees, it's better. Okay, so here's our first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, we have a recovery time, should be 1 minute. Okay, but I'm gonna speed things up here. If you have trouble not going from your knees, it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going from the knees is a little bit easier, okay? Again, recovery time should be about 1 minute. So after one set, you wait 1 minute, do your next set. Wait 1 minute, do your next set. 1 minute, do your next set. We're gonna go ahead and speed things up a little bit, and we're gonna do our second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Recovery time, 1 minute. Okay, we're gonna do our third set now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Recovery time, 1 minute. Okay, our next exercise is going to be with the resistant band. These are very cheap. You can get them at Walmart. Okay, and you cut them to length. Our first exercise is going to be a curl, which is going to work our biceps or your arm muscles. Very simple. You step on it, and we're going to do sets of 10. Here we go. 3 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Recovery time, 1 minute. We're gonna speed things up though. So here we go. Really work on pulling your arms out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 minute rest. Okay, here we go. And you can adjust the resistance on this if you want more. If you want to make it harder, just go down a little farther. If you want to make it easier, come up to the top. Okay, so Mr. B is gonna make it just a little tougher on this set. This will be our third set of 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, we're working our arm muscles, which is called our biceps brachii. Now we are going to work our tricep, which is the back part of your arm. So what we're gonna do here is we are gonna step on our band and we're gonna bring our arm up, okay? Try to make it straight. I'm gonna do my right arm first, so I'm gonna take my left hand, put it by my elbow, and we are gonna extend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna switch and go over to our left arm. Again, right hand on the elbow, arm up straight and extend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Recovery time, 1 minute. We're gonna speed things up though. So I'm gonna go back to my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, these things are very cheap, very versatile. Here we go. Left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Notice how I am controlling my movement. I'm not going too fast. And this will be our last set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, we are working the back part of our arms. It's called your tricep brachii. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Our next lift is going to be is called a military extension. So you're going to step right in the middle of your band, bring your arms up, and what you're going to do is you're going to push your arms up and bring them together. Okay, it is called a military extension, and it works your shoulders and your trapezius. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 minute recovery. Again, we are going to speed things up. So here we go. Again, up, and we're going to squeeze together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, we're going nice and slow, okay, controlling our movement. It's going to be our last set of our military press. Up, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There's 3 basic exercises that you could do with the band. The next thing that you could do, if you want to work your legs, okay, would be a squat. It's very simple. Your feet should be shoulder width apart, as wide as your shoulders. And it's almost like sitting down in a chair, okay? And when you go down, you want to bring your arms up. Okay, so you're going to work 2 different muscles, your leg muscles and your shoulders. And we're going to do sets of 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 minute rest. Again, we're going to speed things up here. And here we go. Feet shoulder width apart. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 minute rest. And here we go. Feet shoulder width apart. 1, just like sitting in a chair. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that's it for today. As you can see, I am wearing a 49er shirt from Miss Gorhava. That's her favorite team. But Mustangs, Stallions, until next time, be safe, and I'll see you next time.